Small steps equals big rewards, okay? Small steps equal big rewards. Sometimes in fitness, we get so caught up in the big process that we're trying to do. Let's say if we want to lose 20 pounds. We get so caught up in wanting to lose the 20 pounds that we don't cherish and value the small steps. In order for us to get to 20 pounds, we have to start at losing 1 pound. We have to start at losing 5 pounds. We have to start at losing 10 pounds to get to 20 pounds. So it's not like we're going to start working out and we're going to go from 1 pound to 20 pounds and then that's it. No, it's a process. But we have to really, pay attention to the small changes that happen and actually appreciate that, because every small change you make equals up at the end of the day to a big difference. It's a big change, but over time, it's a big change. So that's why today I'm challenging someone out there. I know this came on my mind because somebody needs to hear this. Focus on the small things that you need to do. Focus on your meal prepping. Focus on working out 3 days a week. Focus on eating healthy consistently. Focus on not binging on the weekends just because you think you had such a great week that you can afford to binge on the weekends. Focus on the small things that need to be done to get towards your goals, because those small things equal up to great results. It's just like when you invest. When you first start investing, let's say you invest $100 a month. If you invest $100 a month over 10 years at 5%, that's going to equal a lot of money. But if you invest $100 over 2 months, you only have $200. But over time, it builds up. Same thing with weight loss. If you lose 2 pounds 1 week, then you lose 2 pounds another week, at the end of 2 weeks, you're like, oh my God, I only lost 2 pounds. But if you lose 2 pounds every week and you take that over 4, 5, or 6 months, it's a big deal. So today I just want to challenge somebody, because sometimes I deal with people and I notice the small changes, they don't care about small changes, they just care about the big changes. Guess what? In order for you to get big changes, small changes have to happen. So this is your reminder today. Cherish the small changes, build on the small changes, focus on the small things, because those small things become great things, just like investments. You start small and over time, it just grows and grows and grows. All right. Thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget, come back to my channel every week, because I'm giving you new videos, new content to help you get results and adding value to your life. Now, don't forget to like this video and comment below if you have any questions. But also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I want you to get alerted whenever I'm sending a video out that might interest you. So I hope you have a great day.